Hope you all are doing well this morning. Today is Thursday, August 25th. And today in our devotional, it says responding to opposition. And this is something that we all need to learn, and me including. I'm learning right along with you guys. So let's see what it says this morning. Psalm chapter 7 verse 1. I come to you for protection. O Lord my God, save me from my persecutors. Rescue me. Psalms 31 verse 15. My times are in your hand. Rescue me from the hand of my enemies and from my persecutors. Psalm chapter 35 verse 1. O Lord, oppose those who oppose me. Fight those who fight against me. Psalm chapter 55 verse 18. He rescues me unharmed from the battle waged against me, even though many oppose me. Psalm chapter 142 verse 6. Hear my cry, for I am very low. Rescue me from my persecutors, for they are too strong for me. Matthew chapter 5 verse 44. But I say to you, love your enemies, bless those who curse you, do good to those who hate you. Romans chapter 8 verse 31. If God is for us, who can be against us? And Proverbs chapter 16 verse 7. When a man's ways please the Lord, he makes even his enemies be at peace with him. And at the bottom, it says, how do you feel when you hear the word enemy? Anger, hatred, fear, resentment, hostility, and indescribable pain? Maybe you're planning to take revenge. Remember how your master treated his enemies. He spoke words of peace during the war, love in the midst of hatred, and forgiveness even when they did not repent, because they knew not what they were doing. God will give you victory. Until then, bless your persecutors and forgive them. That is a very, very good devotional this morning. Something that I needed also, because we have it reminds me of the verse that we don't battle against flesh and blood, but against powers, principalities, powers of darkness. I know I'm not quoting that exactly right, but it's not the person. It's important, very important to remember it's not the person that is maybe talking out in anger at you. It's not the person. It's the principality, the powers of darkness. It's these spirits that are controlling that person. So it's important to pray for that person and try your best to react in love, just as Jesus did. Jesus is our example. I know I say that a lot, but he is our example on how we are to live. And he's the perfect example for us, which brings me to the disciple server. That's why we are doing the parables of Jesus, so we can learn from Jesus, because he is the person that we should be striving to be like. We should want to live as Jesus did. And what better teacher than Jesus himself? And that's what he was doing through his parables, was teaching us how we are to live. So you all should really consider joining us in them discussions. And they are discussions. It's not a Bible study that I do. I am no teacher. It is a study group where we all can discuss and study together, okay? I'm learning just like you guys, okay? But I love you guys, and it's something to remember. You're not battling against the person who is coming against you. Pray for that person. Show them love, even when they are showing you anger and hatred. Show them love. That's what Jesus did. And let's strive to be like Jesus, okay? I know we will never, ever, ever be perfect like him. But we can strive to live the life that he directs us to live in his word. Very important to read his word for yourself and not take anybody's word for what it says, okay? But I love you guys. Just real short and sweet this morning. Continue to pray for our family. I see God working in our family, and I really, really appreciate your prayers. I really see him working in my family, and I appreciate each and every one of you who has sent up a prayer for us. God is merciful and loving, and I give him all glory. So, but I love you guys, and I hope you have a very, very blessed day. Give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down. Don't forget. Share and subscribe. Also, join me on the Disciple server. Join in the discussions, guys. And if I don't see you in the next video, I really, really, really hope I see you in heaven very, very soon. I love you guys very much. Really, I do. And I'm praying for each and every one of you. So, until we meet again, God bless.